you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the Wild Crystal box for August. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my August Wild Crystal box just arrived. Now, I did tell you in last month that they were changing things up. They were changing the box and it was going to be lowering the price point. I did receive an email and they said that they would be crediting. I haven't checked my bank statements or haven't noticed anything of a credit on my account, so I definitely need to look into that and just make sure, because I think I did a 6-month subscription because I've had this one for a few times already. So let's go ahead and see what now the new Wild Crystal box is going to look like from this point forward, now that they've revamped it. So let's go ahead and dive in. Now, they do put in a mailer bag. I do remove that, and this is what is inside. It's never sealed because it's inside of the mailer bag. So let's go ahead and look inside. And I love their box, how it has like the crystals or the diamonds and gems and everything all over it. And there we have some stuff on top. And it is closed up and it says fire. And that is what it looks like inside. So let's see here. Ooh, that is very pretty. Ooh, and it's a postcard. That's really cool. That's a very pretty design, and it is a postcard. That's something that people don't really do anymore, is actually send hand letters to anybody anymore. So I'm definitely going to save this and send that to somebody special. Then we have, this is Tamed Wild. And what it says is, we have made some changes to our monthly delivery that we hope will make your Wild Crystal box better than ever. After 3 years of curating this box, we have learned so much about our subscribers and what makes a box like ours thrive. We have learned that along the quality stones and education, a lower price point is ideal and more sustainable for growing a crystal collection. It is with this in mind that we had made some changes to our Wild Crystal box. Your monthly box will cost $16 a month with $3 domestic shipping, so that'll be $19 total, so it's under $20 now. If you were previously at a higher price point, we have taken care of changing this for you. You don't have to do anything. So they're gonna take care of mine, I guess, as well. Number 2, your box will contain 2 to 3 items a month. We will always include a main crystal or stone that is our focus of the box, along with a side stone, accessory, jewelry, or other tool chosen for that intention. Your box will always include the educational card as well as the meanings and usefulness of each stone, as much as we value our natural beauty. You may feel in the next few months that this box your delivery comes in is too large for the items included, as we will be using the box stock we have before debuting our new box design. We are excited to mix things up for the upcoming year and can't wait to show you what's in store. We hope that this gives you an idea of what to expect, to look forward to, and hearing your feedback. Wild Crystal box team. So at least they did send a detailed card letting us know what was going on. So that is awesome. So this is now, before they had like an actual full page of tons of literature, and I'm like, whoa, there's a lot here. So I would kind of read through a little bit to kind of tell you guys about the stones, and then I save it so I can sit down and read the full thing later. Now it looks like they've revamped it to a smaller size card, which I do appreciate. And I'm going to assume that amethyst is their showcased crystal for this particular month. Wild Crystal box. This month's delivers includes an amethyst cluster and an emerald rough stones. Amethyst is formerly known as the stone that stimulates the 6th chakra, or the third eye. The third eye is said to be located on your forehead, just above and between the eyebrows. It is said placing an amethyst on this part of your body will stimulate clairvoyancy and assist in remembering dreams. Ooh, that's one thing I never remember anymore. When I was younger, I bought a dream book, literally bought a dream book, and that point forward, I can't remember my dreams. I could remember them before, and I was so excited to be able to go through and pick through and read and see what they mean, and I don't remember my dreams anymore. That's just my luck. I still have my dream book, but I'm still not remembering my dreams. So maybe this will help open that up and I can actually start remembering my dreams now. That'll be nice. Partially due to amethyst high vibrations frequency, many people claim to feel a tingling sensation when the energy exchange is taking place. For the physical body, is said to be a helper of sleep and cure of insomnia. That's amazing. It is known to calm the nervous system and prevent nightmares. Wow, that's really cool. So I definitely need to cleanse my stones first, but I really would like to try this stuff out. It is also a popular stone to use during meditation and grounding. It is said that the amethyst will change color if the wearer is under a spell or of black magic, fearfulness, or deception. Wine served in goblets made of amethyst was said to change color if the drink was poisoned or toxic. That's interesting. And then emerald is said to be the stone of loyalty and domestic bliss. A powerful promoter of friendship, is said to promote loyalty and strengthen bonds. In the ancient world, it is detected to the goddess Venus and is commonly used to revive passion within a relationship. Send an emerald stone to the one you love to encourage a strong connection and encourage balance. Place your emerald on top of your amethyst and place under the full moon to cleanse and charge. So that's cool. They at least tell you how to cleanse and charge your stones. So let's go ahead and let's look at the star of the show, which is the amethyst. That is amazing that now they have lowered the verbiage. So now I can actually read it and we can learn more about the stone when I'm unboxing these, because before oh my God, this is gorgeous. Because before there was so much information that I really couldn't read it. So we really didn't know what was really going on. So I do appreciate that. And oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. I got a nice big chunk of amethyst. That is stunningly beautiful. I love amethyst. I really, really do. So there's the back side and there is the star of the show. That is so cool. I love amethyst. So let's see what we have in here. This would be the emerald. And this is what is going to be good for relationship balance. Ooh, and one thing that I do appreciate about this company, they don't just send you one, they normally send you two. So not only do you get to see two different variations, or you could have two different parts of the stone, you could have two different colors, two different sizes, two different everything. So this is the emerald. I would think emerald would be green. This does not look green. I always thought emerald was a green stone, but apparently this looks, unless they put the wrong thing in my box, I always thought emerald was green. So this is definitely like grayish, blackish color. That's weird. I thought emerald was green. Like if you go to the jewelry place and you see an emerald, I thought it was a green, but what do I know? So there is the emerald. And then there is a little box in here. Let's see what's inside of this. Ooh, okay. So we have a necklace and here is the stone. It's a point, like a clear crystal point. And then here is the necklace chain. Okay, so there is the chain. Again, there is the necklace. Can I just put it around my head or do I have to? No, I think I can get it. I can just leave it like that. And get it past my ears. There we go. So there is the actual necklace with the crystal point on the end. I like that. I really like that. And I'm glad it's clear because it goes with anything. So I don't have to worry about what to wear it with or what it's gonna match with or that kind of thing, because it goes with everything. So that is everything that came in this month's box. Again, this is now the new, brand new Wild Crystal box at a lower price point. And honestly, I think what we might be missing one stone. And for that, I think it's so much better being definitely under $20 with the shipping and everything included. So if you are one that's trying to grow your crystal collection for under $20, you're gonna find amazing products or crystals. And plus this being so big, I mean, you guys, that is huge. That is a big piece of amethyst right there. And this really good informational card, a postcard. So this is amazing. Comment down below, let me know, do you see a huge difference other than now it's cheaper? Do you see that it is a little bit smaller of a box from what I've been normally showing you guys? Because honestly, I don't really see a whole difference. I'm glad that it is a lower price point because it's very affordable now, especially being under 20 shipping and everything, like I said. So that is amazing. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Your positive interaction with me means the world. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.